Service in Cleveland, Ohio has issued a test message for the Ohio statewide tornado drill. This includes all counties in Ohio and is valid until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test. Repeating, this is a test message for the Ohio statewide tornado drill.
There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test message is part of the annual Ohio tornado drill. If this were an actual severe weather event,
you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, Ohio Emergency Management Agency, and the Ohio Committee on Severe Weather Awareness encourages the use of this time to either activate or review your severe weather safety plans. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning message for the 2023 Ohio tornado drill. This concludes the test. This is no weather radio KDO 94 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland.
the front will flow over the Ohio Valley on Friday and lift north
Ohio
across the
overcame
coastal
DO
area
94
Saturday.
from operating on a frequency of 162.400
High pressure.